Hello friends, I am Shalabh Jain. Once again, I am among all of you with the series of the Flamingo chapters. The first chapter, the last lesson we have completed. Second chapter, Lost Spring part 1 and part 2 we have done. Now in this series, we are starting the new chapter, Deep Water, which has been written by William Douglas. As you know, every story has a background. So what is the background of this story? Every person somewhere feels terrified by something. We all have a kind of phobia. Sometimes we know and sometimes we do not know about the phobia. Those who live with the phobia, somewhere it works as a handicapness. It casts a paralytic effect on their personality. मान लीजिए किसी को स्टेज फ्राइट है, स्टेज पर जाने से उसको डर लगता है। अब उसको स्टेज पर जाना पड़े ड्यू टू सम रीज़न, बिकॉज द पर्सन हैज़ नॉट ट्राइड टू रिमूव हिज फोबिया, तो क्या होगा? ही और शी विल फील नर्वस एंड ही और शी वॉन्ट बी एबल टू परफॉर्म वेल. नेवर लिव विद योर फियर, नेवर लिव विद योर फोबिया. ट्राई टू फाइट अगेंस्ट इट and eliminate it from your life. And after conquering, after winning your fear, when you come out, the feelings will be indescribable. ऐसी फीलिंग्स होंगी आपके मन में जिसको आप एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाएंगे. यू विल बी हाईली एक्साइटेड, you will be highly contented with your achievement. In this chapter, third chapter, Deep Water, which has been written by William Douglas, same situation, same position, same theme has been highlighted. Over here, the story is highlighting little bit flashback. William Douglas is saying, when I was 10 or 11 year old, I decided to learn swimming and he joined YMCA pool. YMCA refers to Young Men Christian Association. हालांकि उनके घर के पास एक याकीमा रिवर भी फ्लो करती थी, बट हिज मदर kept instructing him, kept warning him, never go to Yakima river because the river was very treacherous. ट्रेचरस का मतलब होता है जो आपको ट्रैप करे. एंड सो मैनी पीपल हैड ड्राउंड ओवर देयर. दैट्स वाई YMCA pool was a safest bet. So William Douglas joined YMCA pool when he was 10 or 11 year old. लेकिन हुआ क्या? अब you know very well when you learn swimming, in the beginning you are given some water wings and some flaps in order to learn swimming. William Douglas also started his journey of swimming with all these things. He was given some flaps, some water wings. और पानी की डेप्थ कितनी थी? 3 feet, 2 or 3 feet. If water is 2 or 3 feet deep, you know, you cannot sink over there, you cannot drown over there. Now this is very very important point. Please mark the word aversion. यहाँ स्टोरी और फ्लैशबैक में है. विलियम इज सेइंग, आई डेवलप्ड एवर्जन विद वाटर. एवर्जन का मतलब होता है स्ट्रॉन्ग हेट, स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसलाइक. आपके एग्जाम में 2 टाइप से क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन डिड विलियम acquire aversion with water? Aversion means strong dislike. Number 2, when did William acquire phobia with water? So don't be confused in these 2 questions. तो पहले इसकी बात करते हैं एवर्जन की. When did William acquire aversion with water? According to William Douglas, when he was 3 or 4 years of age. When William was 3 or 4 years of age, his father took him to California beach. As you know, बीच के ऊपर जो waves है, sometimes they are very high, sometimes they are little bit low. अब 3 या 4 साल का जो बच्चा है, at that time William was 3 or 4 years old. So when he was at the beach, California beach with his father, suddenly a wave for few seconds overpowered him. जैसे आप सी शोर पे कभी गए हो, ऊंची लहर आई और आपके ऊपर से चली गई. For few seconds, William Douglas knocked down and buried. Please mind the pronunciation, not buried, buried in water. अब आप कुछ सेकंड के लिए पानी के बिल्कुल नीचे होंगे. It choke your breath. The same happened with William. सांस रुक गई उसकी. No doubt, situation was not complicated. That's why father was laughing. But William had frightened terribly. This small incident injected aversion in his heart and mind. लेकिन ये कब की बात है? When he was just 3 or 4 years of age. अब उस वक्त उसके मन में आ गया कि मुझे पानी के पास नहीं जाना है, and I do not like it. But time settle the dust on our memories. With the passage of time, when William was 10 or 11 years of age, he decided to eliminate that aversion and he joined YMCA pool. YMCA pool. हालांकि when he went to YMCA pool, his unpleasant memories stirred. जो उसके चाइल्डहुड, इसके बचपन का जो फियर था, it resurfaced, but it was not as much strong that he took the back step. He tried to learn swimming by aping means copying other children, because he was a beginner. That's why at the swimming pool other children were there, other boys were there. William started copying them. If you are doing a practice every day, you start feeling confident. सेम हैपेंड विद विलियम. तो अभी हल्का हल्का उसको कॉन्फिडेंस आना शुरू ही हुआ था, बट कहते ना, मिस एडवेंचर, कुछ लोगों की किस्मत ही खराब होती है. द प्रॉब्लम्स कम इन देयर लाइफ इन बटालियन. नंबर 1, व्हेन ही वाज 3 or 4 years of age, he encountered with a wave due to which he felt choked. When William was 10 or 11 years of age, he joined YMCA pool, but over here too, he had to undergo an unpleasant experience which transformed his life, which transformed his thinking. अब हुआ क्या? Actually, YMCA pool was a new place for William, और अभी उसको जाते हुए ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं हुआ था. That's why he was not a good swimmer. हाँ, he was a beginner, he was a novice. So one day, he was sitting at the YMCA pool and water was very clean. Even he was able to see the tiles of the water, the bottom of the pool, because there was no one. So he dared not to enter the pool alone because he was a beginner. और तभी क्या हुआ, around 18 years of age boy, a boy who might be around 18 years of age, with beautiful physical specimen, whose legs and whose arms were having rippling muscles. It shows he was a good swimmer. He came over there and out of joke, he threw me into the deep water. क्या कहा उसने? हाय स्किनी, what if I should throw you into the deep water? What if I throw you into deep water? और इससे पहले कि मैं हाँ ना कुछ कर पाता, he picked me and threw me into the water. The beginning of the pool was 2 or 3 feet deep, लेकिन gradually the pool was 9 feet deep. अब 9 फुट तो फ्रेंड्स काफ़ी गहरा होता है, अगर एक पर्सन 6 फुट हाइट का है तो भी वो डूब जाएगा। विलियम डगलस स्टार्टेड गोइंग डाउन द पूल इन सिटिंग पोजिशन, जिस पोजिशन में वो बैठा हुआ था, इन द सेम पोजिशन ही स्टार्टेड गोइंग डाउन द पूल, उसी पोजिशन में वो पूल के नीचे जाने लगा। ऑब्वियसली in that critical situation anybody can be terrified. William Douglas too was extremely frightened, but आपको मालूम है कि when we are near to death we start trying every curse and blessing, हर ऑफ जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है हम कोशिश करते हैं उसको यूज करने की। विलियम डगलस when going down the pool he made a strategy, क्या कि जस्ट एज माई फीट हिट द बॉटम, जैसे ही मेरे पैर बॉटम को टच करेंगे, आई विल मेक ए बिग जंप, देन आई विल कम आउट टू द सरफेस, लाई फ्लैट एंड आई विल कम टू द एज ऑफ द पूल। जब आप किसी को डांस करता हुआ देखते हैं आपको लगता है हम कर लेंगे, ये स्टेप्स इजी हैं, बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डांसिंग इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू डू द सेम। William Douglas was also in the same darkness. It was an easy task for him. उसको ये लगा कि जैसे ही मेरे पैर बॉटम टच करेंगे मैं जोर से जंप करूंगा और ऊपर आ जाऊंगा, बट इट सीम्ड ए लॉन्ग वे डाउन। होता है ना, जब आप किसी बैड फेज ऑफ लाइफ से गुजर रहे होते हैं, द डार्क फेज, द बैड फेज सीम्स लार्जर लॉन्गर, एंड व्हेन यू आर पासिंग थ्रू गुड फेज ऑफ लाइफ, हैप्पी डेज, दे फ्लाई अवे। आप कहीं घूमने जाते हैं पेरेंट्स के साथ किसी ब्रेक पर, वैकेशन पर, 4 5 6 दिन तो ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं, पता ही नहीं चलता। एंड व्हेन यू डू सम अनप्लेजेंट टास्क, 1 hour सीम्स लाइक अ डे। द सेम वाज द मेंटल कंडीशन ऑफ विलियम डगलस। द 9 feet डिस्टेंस, द 9 feet डेप्थ was seeming 90 because of नर्वसनेस, बिकॉज ऑफ फियर। लेकिन उसके माइंड में ये था कि भाई स्ट्रेटेजी वही है, जैसे ही मेरे जो फीट हैं बॉटम टच करेंगे मैं पॉप अप कर जाऊंगा। फाइनली हिज फीट टच द बॉटम, he remembered the strategy, that's why he took a big jump, big push up. As gradually he was coming down with the same gradual pace he came up, लेकिन गलती क्या कर दी उसने, just as his face came out from the pool, from the water, only eyes and nose could come out, not the mouth. And in order to suck oxygen, उसने मुंह से सांस ले लिया। he tried to breath from the mouth, और हुआ क्या, rather than air, rather than oxygen, he sucked water. It made his condition more pitiable, dilapidated. Now his condition was extremely pitiable. Even before anything could be done, he started second time downward journey into the pool. Now listen very carefully. You will find this question in the exam. Explain second time downward journey of Douglas into the pool. When Douglas was going down the pool second time, his mental condition was very much miserable. Reason? He was without oxygen. Number two, his lungs had choked because of consuming water. So now, what was the physical and mental condition of Douglas when he was going down the pool second time? He was trying to fight against the phobia, but he was not. And he was trying to come out. He was trying to scream. लेकिन कुछ होने वाला नहीं था पानी के अंदर. His head was gidding. Because of fear, he was searching some water wings or some ladder. Second time downward journey. Petrified, fearful. His head was giddying, his heart was throbbing. He was searching some water wings, some land, but he could find nothing except reflection of water. Anyway, again he is, अब नीचे तो आ गए, स्ट्रेटजी वही रखनी है उन्हें. क्या स्ट्रेटजी रखनी है? जस्ट एज second time, just as his feet touched the bottom, he again he made the same mistake. क्या मिस्टेक कर दी उन्होंने? ओनली आईज ऑक्सीजन लेने के कारण के चक्कर में ही सक्ड वाटर सेकेंड टाइम. such a way that he could tolerate the attack of the water. Third time, two questions are important. Number one, second time downward journey, and next, too much oxygen, sorry, too much water. He did not have oxygen. That blank, and the curtain of life started falling. He lost supply of oxygen. So during his third time downward journey, William Douglas, he was just feeling as he was in tender, means soft arms, and his eyes closed. But it happened just in few seconds. Who had thrown him into the water. So when he opened his eyes, himself lying. When William Douglas was extracted, was taken out from the pool, and he was vomiting. और जिस लड़के ने उसको पानी में थ्रो किया था, कर रहा था, और किसी ने बोला अरे भाई आप तो मजाक कर रहे थे, द किड नियरली डाइड, बच्चा तो मर ही गया था. विलियम डगलस was rescued at the nick of the time, otherwise he might have died. Several hours when he reached home, he was crying, he had nightmare, and he did not feel hungry. That means he was condition. पहला क्वेश्चन क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? एवर्जन. दूसरा मिस एडवेंचर. तीसरा सेकेंड टाइम डाउन जर्नी. फिफ्थ, when William was saved, what was his mental and physical condition? After that, sports. He loved river rafting. He loved canoeing. Whatever sports belong to water, he loved all of them. But now his phobia है उसको कि he said goodbye to all his water sports. Just mentioning करने लगता है. उसने एक दो बार कोशिश भी की, but when he dangled his feet inside the water, they turned paralyzed. उसके पैर उठ ही नहीं रहे थे बिकॉज ऑफ नर्वसनेस. वो जानता है कि इट इज ए काइंड ऑफ, नहीं है कि हम किसी डर को पालें और उसको लेकर के चलें. इट इज बेटर टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द फोबिया, फाइट अगेंस्ट द फियर, नेगेटिविटी. So William Douglas was man, he decided not to live with phobia. क्या मुझे फ्लश आउट करना है. That's why he decided to hire an instructor. William, it was month of October. He narrated the entire incident to the instructor. He put a belt around William Douglas, a rope attached. से कुएं से पानी निकालने के लिए हम एक रस्सी यूज करते हैं. इन द सेम मैनर ही यूज्ड ए रोप एंड लेकर बैठ गया. Whenever he released the rope, William started करता. His fear gripped. In this way, hour after hour, day after day, week after घंटों नहीं, दिन नहीं, weeks लग गए. But if you are putting your, the fear obviously subsides. Now the phobia, and he started feeling relaxed inside the water. अब उसको डर नहीं है कि मैं पानी. Finally, when he started entering the water, the instructor taught him. He did not teach him swimming in one go. He taught him swimming. Every time his terror returned, his legs froze, but day by day, his fear. Instructor taught him how to put face under the water, how to inhale. मतलब जो भी स्विमिंग के पैटर्न्स होते हैं, bit by bit, and bit by bit he now will learning swimming. All the instructor into pieces. It took 6 months. In the month of October, classes, the training, the sessions kept going on. Now, the instructor had finished his task, but I was. देखिए, whenever you learn something and the trainer is sitting next to you, somewhere you real test comes at that time. विलियम को मालूम था कि आज तक जितनी बार भी मैंने प्रैक्टिस सेशंस लिए, protect me, he could save me at the time of complication, but when instructor will real test. So departure of the trainer, William Douglas started testing his skill at various places. Every time fear came, but in tiny sections. मतलब डर तो आया, was subsiding. He kept doing practice. Instructor कब गया? अप्रैल में. तो मई, जून, kept doing his practice, and he crossed whatever rivers. Every time fear came, but the size kept squeezing every time. अब क्या रह गया था? रेजिडुअल डाउट. रेजिडुअल का मतलब क्या होता है? वेरी स्मॉल. He crossed so many rivers, so many lakes, so many. His fear had reduced to a fraction. Decided to try Worm Lake. This is the last point. Worm, sharp, very wide kind of lake, and Over here the danger just changed his clothes. He put on the swimming costume and finally he jumped. He crossed warm lake. He was extremely excited. Gilbert Peak returned the echo. Gilbert Peak is name of a mountain. That means William Douglas had conquered his phobia. That's why his code from the Gilbert Peak. Today आता है when did William Douglas overpower his phobia? विलियम डगलस कहते हैं कि द एक्सपीरियंस है, ही लोग मेरा एक्सपीरियंस फील कर सकते हैं, दोज हु हैव पास्ड थ्रू दिस एक्सपीरियंस. इफ only the wearers know where the shoes pinches, when you keep yourself in the shoe of others, only then you will be able to see the world from his or her perspective. विलियम डगलस ने एक बात बोली, देयर इज टेरर ओनली इन द फियर ऑफ डेथ. देयर इज ओनली टेरर इन द फियर ऑफ डेथ. लेकिन डेथ में फियर नहीं है, डेथ तो पीसफुल है. सडनली ही रिमेंबर्ड द वर्ड्स ऑफ रूजवेल्ट, प्रेसिडेंट रूजवेल्ट. प्लीज अंडरलाइन दिस लाइन इन योर बुक्स. ऑल वी हैव टू फियर इज फियर इटसेल्फ. इट मीन्स दुनिया में किसी चीज से डरो या ना डरो, डरने से आपको डर लगना चाहिए. जिस चीज से हमें डर लगता है उसके पास नहीं जाते. फियर से, डर से, फियरफुल होने से डरो, उसके पास मत जाओ, दूर रहो डर से. तो इट मीन्स ऑलवेज बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड ब्रेव. एंड फाइनली विलियम डगलस was extremely happy because today he had lost his negative feelings and he had conquered his phobia, his fear. So in this way we should also try to overpower our fear or phobias or wherever we are feeling we are lacking. Got it friends? Koi shak? Whatever doubts you have, you can write in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.